Here's a spleen for splenomegaly. So I began with the curved transducer, and for the most part the spleen looks normal. But there was these two hypoechoic areas here that kind of stood out. So there was no splenomegaly, but I grabbed the linear transducer, and here you can see the spleen is very heterogeneous. And you can see again these two little areas that are hypoechoic. One is kind of wedge shaped. I had zero history on this patient, but after asking a few questions, I got the history that there was sickle cell disease. So now with that very important history out of the way, I just took some more linear images, and then I put color Doppler on these hypoechoic areas. And here you can see a clip showing just how heterogeneous the spleen is. Now these areas did not fill up with color at all. These hypoechoic areas are most likely infarctions of the spleen. Now the way that the red blood cells are shaped with sickle cell, they're shaped like a sickle, causes them to get stuck in capillaries, which can lead to sickle cell crisis and lack of blood flow to organs, leading to ischemia and infarction. And a common organ affected by sickle cell is the spleen. Over time, the spleen, after going through so much ischemia and infarction, will shrink and atrophy. That's called an autosplenectomy.